Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about integrity, part of database management system course. Integrity is a property of a database that refers to the accuracy and consistency of the data. In a database, integrity is maintained by enforcing constraints on the data such as data types, uniqueness, and referential integrity. There are several types of integrities that can be enforced in a database, such as entity integrity. Entity integrity refers to the uniqueness of non-nullability of the data in a database. This can be enforced using primary keys, which are unique identifiers that are used to identify each row in a table. Referential integrity refers to the relationship between data in different tables in a database. This can be enforced using foreign keys, which are used to link rows in different tables and ensure that the relationship between the data are maintained. Domain integrity refers to the constraints that are placed on the data in a database, such as data types, ranges, and formats. This can be enforced using data types, check constraints, and other mechanisms. User-defined integrity refers to custom constraints that are defined by the database users or developers. This can include constraints that are specific to the application or business requirements, such as custom data validation rules or business logic. It is important to carefully design and enforce integrity constraints in a database to ensure that the data is accurate and consistent. By enforcing integrity constraints, it is possible to ensure the reliability and integrity of the data in a database. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.